last summer I was a mobile mechanic. I spent a bunch of money on a wrap for I bought like a newer truck for me, 2019 Colorado. Paid like $30,000 for it. I ended up smashing it. I bought this Silverado, and this time instead of spending $1,400 on a wrap, I went to a local guy and I got that done, and he only charged me $100. He's local. The other place was local too, but I like this guy, and I'll show you what it looks like. Pretty simple. Just my name, automotive repair, the number, and put ASE, state, and insured. And if you're gonna be, started raining outside, so if you're gonna be a mobile mechanic, you need to have insurance. You need to have your licenses, and you need to be registered as a repair facility in the state of Michigan, or if something goes wrong, you can get sued. And you don't want that if someone gets hurt. So plus, if people see that you have the insurance and you're registered through the state, your license, they share your post, they tell their family and friends about it, and they feel a lot comfortable having you fix their car. So what I do is I just run out one of these storage units for $140 because my neighbors, they don't like me having all this auto stuff in my yard, all this scrap metal that I've got. Who thinks, how much do you think that's worth? Anyone want to take a guess? A bunch of alternators and stuff. Yeah, no one wants, I don't have enough room in my garage. I have a small garage, and so I just keep my hoist here, my engine stand, my toolboxes. I've got organized this, but cart, all my special tools, I just keep in my toolbox. And when I need my special tools, instead of renting them, I just come in here and I grab it. So, but if you do not have special tools, you can definitely rent them from AutoZone. I don't like doing it so much because if I gotta use my card, it takes about 3 days for it to get paid up, and it's just like this negative balance in my account that's hard to keep track of. So the less I have to use my card for, the better. But when you're buying parts, you want to use a credit card. You want to use a card that's giving you 2% back, because you're spending $500 a day in parts. That will pay for your lunch. That adds up a lot. So hundreds of dollars a month. If you do it right, you can make a lot of cash back. You could get fuel rewards through like BJ's, give 10 cents off if you have their credit card. So you can save a lot of money, and also it's all right off. So if you're gonna do the mobile mechanic, you have to do it right and pay your taxes. And you get about 67 cents a mile, driving 80, 90 miles a day. That adds up. So if you could please like and subscribe to my channel, I appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 1,000, trying to get monetized, and that would help a lot.